Look at that spread. Let's go. Let's go.
I see you climbing up the chart, looking overboard. Yeah, you're flying too close to the sun, giving all you got. All sight is 99. Tell me, is it real? Or are you pumping up the volume just to close a deal? I'm sitting calm in the shadows with the heavy position, waiting for the bulls to finally lose their vision. I see the way getting long, hitting resistance high. Don't tell me that you're holding, baby, don't you lie. 'Cause the bid is getting weak, yeah, and liquidity is leaking, yeah. I see the panic starting to creep in, yeah. So tell the buyers good night, 'cause the bears are taking control again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Create the gap, make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Down to the floor, make it crash, crash, crash. Oh, drop that ass. Oh, yeah, feel that order. Drop that ass. You're trying to find support, the moving average, but I know the fundamentals represent the savage. I borrowed shares at the top, sold them in the green. Now I'm watching red candles wash away the dream. I hear the margin calls ringing on the telephone. Suddenly the diamond hands feel all alone. The volume spike is coming in heavy on the sale. We're riding on the algorithm straight to hell. 'Cause the bid is getting weak, yeah, and the liquidity is leaking. I see the panic starting to creep in. Hands in the air, say goodbye. Till the bears are taking control again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Create the gap, make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Create the gap, make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Create the gap, make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Create the gap, make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Create the gap, make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Create the gap, make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Down to the floor, make it crash. Lower highs, lower lows. That's the way the rhythm goes. Break the trend line, stop loss. Watch the valuation drop. Don't stop, keep falling. And don't stop, keep falling.
Flush it.
Cause the bears are taking control again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Create the make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Down to the floor, make it crash, 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 crash. Crash down and fall. Crash, 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 crash. Get a crash. That ass.
Yo, yo, they don't see the move, nah. They see it, taking it, yeah. Stocks was the warm up, yeah. Crypto's a new play. They don't see the move, nah. I see it in broad day. Pockets ain't your fast, man. We taking it hippo. That's the end goal. Stacking till it can't fold, yeah. They checking the headlines, I'm checking the chain. They seeing the panic, I'm seeing the game. They punching the clock, stuck in the rain. I'm building the future, I'm changing the game. This ain't no casino, this a calculated play. They follow the herd, I go my own way. Buying the red, they'll be sick on the green day. I read the white paper, they don't know what to say. Yeah, this is for the ones who got iron grip. That's right. It's sold to the bottom, name is still the trip. We just bought a dip, add another chip. Let them run their mouth, man, I'm zipping the lip. Watching this stack go. Stocks was the one, crypto's a new play. Crypto see the move play. I see it in broad day. Pockets ain't too fat, man. We taking it hippo. That's the end goal. Stacking till it can't fold. 6 figures, 7 figures, what's the deal? This ain't no get rich quick. This is a shift. Generational, this is a gift. They hoping for luck, I'm reading the script. I'm my own bank, now I am the boss. They can't see the vision, that's when they lost. I cut out the middle, man, cut out the cost. Whether the winner, don't care about the frost. This is digital gold, this a new age. Turn my whole portfolio, turn a new page. They stuck in the past like a new praise. While I'm on the next move, building the stage, gone. I'm on the next move, building the stage, gone. They said it was nothing, said it was a dream. Now they all watching me, watching on screen. It's a lonely road. We are the one who know. We are the one who know. Yo, Stocks was a warm up. Crypto's a new play. They don't see the move now. I see it in broad day. Pockets ain't your fat, man. We taking it hippo. That's the end goal. Stacking till it can't fall.
Yeah. They look at the chart and see history. I look at the chart and I see destiny. Yeah, I'm already there.
Candles are painted, I tell them the color. You hedging your bets, yeah, you scaring your mother. I'm 50 lights deep and I don't even blink. I know what the algorithm's starting to think. Liquidity grabs, yeah, I see where it's hiding. The wave reposition, I'm already riding. Your stop loss is hitting, my take profits printing. You running the sprint, but I finished the mission before it began. God plan, I don't guess, I don't stress, I don't pray for luck. I see the setup form and I don't give a fuck. Vision is 2020, looking down from the sky. Watch the green candles fly. I go to tomorrow, I'm bringing the bag back. Stuck in the present, I'm off of the map back. I see the rotation, I saw it last night. I'm trading the future, I'm holding the light. I'm light years away, yeah, I'm out of your zone. The market is king, then I sit on the throne. I don't wait for the tick, I don't wait for the shot. On the clock, I done the fix, I don't wait for the shot. On the clock, look, I'm at the bottom while you were asleep. I'm playing for keeps, I'm diving in deep. The oracle speaks, I hold it for weeks or I hold it for seconds. I am a legend, a force to be reckoned. ES is jumping, NQ is pumping, I feel it coming. My heart isn't thumping. Go, ice, I'ma go. Made this story's told. I don't guess, I don't stress, I don't pray for luck. I see the setup forming, I don't give a fuck. Vision is 2020, looking down from the sky. Watch the green candles fly. I go to tomorrow, ain't bring the bag back. You stuck in the present, I'm off of the map back. I see the rotation, I saw it last night. I'm trading the future, I'm holding the light. I'm light years away, yeah, I'm out of your zone. The market is king, then I sit on the throne. I don't wait for the tick, I don't wait for the shot. On the clock, I'm the fix, I don't wait for the shot. On the clock. Yeah. Top bottom, I'm already there. I go to tomorrow, bringing the bag, bring it back. You stuck in the present, I'm off of the map, I see the rotation, I saw it last night. I'm trading the future, I'm holding the light. I'm light years away, yeah, I'm out of your zone. The market is king, and I sit on the throne. I don't wait for the tick, I don't wait for the shot. On the clock, I'm a bitch, I don't wait for the shot. On the clock.
Yeah. Market's open. Look at that spread. Let's go. Let's go.
I see you climbing up the chart, looking overboard.
Good morning, traders. Howdy do. Hope you guys are doing well. Are the Bears taking over? Are the Bulls? We had a few of those low float plays, SMX and whatever other ones that were just fading. TGL, I believe it was, yesterday all day. I saw some bigger traders working those down as well. Ended up on just 7 shares yesterday. Like I said in the Discord, making over $400 just on a measly 7 shares. Honestly, those are my best trades when I just kind of hang tight, sit tight, have that uncommon patience and let the trade work out. So I believe that was over 70 points a share. Yeah, SMX on 7 shares. So SMX probably just got my money back there. Probably a little bit more. But yeah, she that backside on that ended up being fruitful. Now, we got a few other backside plays today. I really want to focus leaning into those. Less of the hype and the day one moves of the market. NCPL pushing. We got Crow, Smoke Tuna, Byron got his futures account funded. Congratulations. I'm excited to hear about that. And he mentioned he's going to give us a special here soon on a Friday night live stream one of these weeks. So keep it alive till we get that Friday night live stream going. Oh, it ran SMX 96 power hour to 200 plus. Oh boy. All right, getting everything loaded up here still, guys. But let me know what you're looking at, and we'll throw it on up on the scanner and watch list. There's a few offerings that happened last night. I threw some shares at a couple of them, and some of them are still holding up fairly well. I'll show you guys the charts on those. All right. ATMC is one of the crazy ones too, but they're stuck in a T12 right now. ATMC. T12. Requesting further information. Goes the SEC. So I mean, you wonder why that didn't happen on something like SMX or TGL. Yeah, so TGL yesterday all day, that one faded. Treasure Global was the name. Now, a few of these plays have been popping up, like anything treasure. What was the other ticker? There was another treasure ticker that had popped up this morning. Mr. Doug in the building. How are we doing, Doug? I know you're watching PSNY. They're doing what, a reverse split, and they're halted right now. Should be opening up here soon. Then we got a few backside plays to look at as well. All right. WeBuy is one of them. Yeah, reverse split. So it already opened. PSNY. Okay, it opened. Hasn't been PSNY. So it was sitting at like 50 some cents. Yeah, just no volume in it. Couple of the plays that I liked based on reverse, they did offerings was so TERN, dude. This one, oh, ouchie for shorts overstaying their welcome here. TERN's been up from like $8 up towards 30, been on a steep trend. And then they came out with news yesterday. Dude, look at this news. So pending news, closed at $32, opened up at like 40, 41, shot to 45. I mean, there were analyst upgrades, yada, yada. They did a 400 million stock offering, though, to fund their cancer drug development. So they got a big offering out, taking advantage of this. It was phase 1 trials, I believe, yesterday. Phase 1. Wow. Okay. Positive phase 1. It must be heavy short interest on TERN. So be mindful of that. SMX, what a move yesterday. It's that look, you gotta SMX. I was telling the guys yesterday, like, that's why I was only in at 7 shares, wrote it down 70 points. Like, this thing is heavily manipulated. Same thing with the ATMC, Doug, where you just got to go small, and that's my style. Like I like to identify like the overbought tickers and then just go small and allow them wiggle room to manipulate, but try to bleed them and fade them on down. Like yesterday, I was just cooking something in the kitchen at lunch, and then looked at my phone and saw, oh, SMX down like 50, 60 points off my entry there, and that's how I like to trade, where I'm not so like the fluctuations of every candlestick or I've had enough of that. I've had enough of that. I need to make my queue within like a 1 minute time frame, and then it's just all the manipulation we've been seeing. So we got a few tickers, guys, on the watch list. I like going into today. We buy is a hangover here. 530. She hit the 200-day moving average. Crow, you went long in today, just following the price action. Good work on that. I mean, it's the price action's been nutso here lately, but if you're like, imagine running that short and then just catching the price action, taking the long on up on SMX. So I mean, just being objective. Good work on that. Being objective, just volume. I know you, Tuna, and Tack. You guys have known each other for a while, and to trade, you guys speak volume a lot. I mean, volume's key. It's the key ingredient to any trading recipe. You got to have volume, and you got to really allow that to dictate the price. But I'm excited to see what Mr. Fades has got to look at this morning. Fades in the wings. How we doing?
Good morning, guys. How's it going? Bears are back in town. Oh man, what a day yesterday! That was the day we've been waiting on for weeks.
Dude,
Yeah,
finally.
there was a lot of hay to make, a lot of fruit to pick.
I wish I could say like, massively green, but that just recovered like 3 or 4 red days where I couldn't, where the Bulls were back.
Mm-hmm.
But thank God, all it takes is a few like SMX and TGL. That's what I'm saying. Like they're learning the wrong lessons. Like we Fades and
Yeah,
I, we look for these big picture. I mean, we look for big picture plays, especially when something that's up on nothing, and we're like, okay,
mm-hmm.
we're gonna leave this to work. But then the reclaim theme, like day after day, was just brutal.
Yeah, that was just beat our head against the wall with that reclaim
Oh,
team.
but
Because we
yesterday,
like trading the bigger picture and avoiding all the fluctuations and just riding it on out. But
mhm.
God, it's just been unavoidable, these fluctuations. So. But yeah, that was good to see. So kind of market came back to an equilibrium, like the euphoria ended. Yeah, it was just like a bearish algorithm took over and just washed those things out, man. So that was good to see. Unfortunately, a lot of these plays faded a bunch, so now it's like I don't know how much more meat they're gonna have. I mean, essentially they're still up hundreds of percent. Like, let me see. TWG is still up 300% in 5 days, but the chart looks beat to hell, down
Yeah,
70%. So it's like, man, and that's the same thing, with CETX yesterday at Bell. Remember, it was up 160%. We're like, man, this thing's probably gonna round trip. Feels heavy. The chart looks like it's already beat up. It's almost like, at first glance, how do I get involved here? But then all of a sudden, it faded like 3 or 4 more points. It's just like, sometimes with these plays that are like really backside, you almost need to tunnel in a little bit more on smaller time frames and tighten your risk and just get involved with that trend down. But that's like on confirmed downtrends, right? Like you can't try to tunnel in on a choppy channel or especially in an uptrend trying to catch the top and short it down. That's where you get in trouble.
yeah, absolutely. And trying to, that's the FOMO where it's evolved. There was a trader asking that recently. It's like, how do you avoid FOMO like the longer you trade? And I was like, I feel like the FOMO's just evolved. Where the FOMO that we
Mhm.
used to have would be like, oh, it's jumping up, chase it. But now the FOMO is at the point where it's like, now I want to catch the top. That's the FOMO.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah, we
yeah,
had the FOMO of like yesterday happening, like the past 2 weeks before it happened. Like that was pretty
yeah,
much what it was. So, but the reality is, like these stocks are not elevatoring down. Like, I mean, they are, but they're given moves in between, right? Like there's wicks in between. Like it flushes and then it retraces and it flushes, it retraces.
right.
Like even SMX, like it wasn't a clean ride down by any means. I mean, those reclaims are incredible. I mean, the
Right.
trend line touches, you know, on that channel that it's been on, you could draw two clear trend lines and it's touching those touch points. So, you know, it's like I still like SMS big picture fade, but it's like, man, yeah, trying to get involved in it and size it is going to be tricky just by how, you know, the nature of it.
That halt
Um,
down, like
as well as
SMX.
TGL. TGL, I like that to continue to fade too, guys, but, you know, it's just going to be one of those where you got to scale in slow, and
Yeah.
I don't know what they're going to do with them at Bell.
Yeah, I was watching this guy's video. I need to finish it, but he was talking about pyramiding. Like he's essentially trades like we do, except he pyramids into a position. So you might start with $1,000 risk and then build it up to like a $50,000 risk, like with a winner.
Right.
Like you're
If it's
just
like still everything looks great, like checking all boxes and continues to. I like that.
yeah, yeah. Well, taking some profits along the way, but sizing into it. I mean, like I watched a trader who I've watched for a while too with SMX did real well, and he was like, sizing it pretty much every pop as it was selling on off. And like
hmm
I know we would lean towards doing that when a ticker is way over bought. Like, okay, on pops, let's size this thing. But yeah, again, it's like we were scarred from last week, so at least we were able to capitalize on it yesterday.
Yeah, I
Uh,
did get pretty aggressive yesterday because it's like, it's kind of just knowing when it's time, right? Like we talked about it. Everything rolls over and it rolls over quick. When that trend dies, like pump the junker, dump the gunker, you know, like that was the theme and it happened quick and we
yeah.
saw that. And yeah, it was time to step on the gas as a short yesterday for sure. I mean, days like yesterday for shorts can make up a week or two of the BS.
Yeah.
So that's pretty much what we had. So now everyone's kind of back to square one. Like the shorts got their get back, the bulls got humbled. So where do we go from here, guys? We're gonna
Let's
see.
have another day like yesterday. So I'm interested what you're watching. I'll just say what I'm already in right now. I like FULC. I'm in this one, but it's very illiquid. They offeringed out and it's hanging over off of like
Yeah, maybe a
1450.
bell, like grab that little bit of volume and get a starter going there. I like that trade. I like, yeah, you called that out yesterday. I like the look of that. I do
My
like the
average,
look of that.
you guys will get a better average than me. I got involved a
So
little early. Um,
FULC, yeah, so I'll have that on watch. So
and then I
yeah,
just I just took one other, which was
mhm,
Turn, because they offering
okay.
like 400 million shares, $400 million worth of stock.
So they
And
offered and it went up again? Is it that private placement kind of thing, or what's the deal?
no, they had they dude. This one was that halt up. This ticker's really overbought too, but they launched a $400 million stock warrant offering. 60 million of common shares at the offering price, which I don't see the offering price. This we were looking at it, I think, yesterday, but it's like they didn't they didn't state what
Mm.
price is going to be at. Dude, why can't we be lucky like enough where what was it? TWG? Were you lucky enough with this? TWG came out with the $5 million public offering at $7 a unit.
After they already beat up, like yeah, the pump's over, it pumped, it dumped, and they're like, okay, now we capitulate
Let,
for real.
let's
Like,
follow that theme though. Like what
that's
okay,
good though for us because it's like the Bulls didn't get rewarded on like the irrational reclaim. Like it clearly pumped and it clearly dumped, but what's been happening? Then somehow the chart comes back to life and it's a good stock to trade again, which it shouldn't be. And that's what did not happen that time. So you know that was a lesson learned. That was tuition. And these Bulls are going to feel that pain, and that's going to change the sentiment a little bit today.
top
So.
wealth. This theme, like top wealth, and then the
Right,
treasure one.
right. The pump the junkers. Yeah, dude. I wish I had $1 million account and I could have just sized the hell out of these plays. Like when SMX would put in that top at 400 something dollars, dude. Man, but
Yeah.
it's hard because you know, like the wicks in between, like we talked about the reclaims. You know, like SMX went to 500. It basically went from low 200s to 500 back to low 200s
Yeah.
within 2 hours. Like coming
Unreal.
from $5 originally or something like that. Like,
There are some traders who are no longer traders anymore.
oh no, no, the market, yeah, they took out a few.
They took out.
They
Yeah.
took out a lot. Yeah, that was just
This is
irrationality at
like
its peak, which is like why we talk about price action as king. Like forgetting that bias. Like you need to know what's going on, but you gotta almost act like you don't know if the price is going against you.
I know. That's probably the hardest thing in trading. You get to a point
Mhm.
after experience where you're like, I know, like I've seen this 2 million times. I know what's going to happen, and then it doesn't happen, and then that's the one that f's you up. But
Yeah, you oversize it. And,
yep.
so,
Good morning, guys. Howard Charts made the thumbnail today. He's in the chat. It's a
yeah, that was
bomb
cool.
thumbnail.
Our thumbnail
Very
was
good.
cool.
Yeah, it's really good. Emmanuel, good morning.
Making us
Emmanuel
look
went.
good, Howard.
Yeah, polished our rough edges, and then
Need some
Emmanuel
work.
went.
Rough.
Emmanuel went from large to small caps. Dude,
Yeah, he
I might mention that over at TTP today.
found
That
success as a
cracks me up.
degenerate.
Yeah, he's like failed large caps to success story in the small caps. I love it. That'd be a video that'd go viral, Emmanuel. Let's do it.
Yeah. Another one, circling back as we get here towards the bell, We Shop. We haven't touched on that much. I don't know if there's any volume there. Yeah, there's not. But that's like at a key level right here. So I'll be watching that one as well as what was the other play I just looked at? Oh, Wave from yesterday, WVE. That's another one I'm watching as well.
All right.
And then, let's see.
Emmanuel, when we gonna get this Vegas party going? He's got the Vegas spot. Oh, ORKT, dude. This is a good hangover as well. ORKT's got this 160 ceiling in. Very heavy off of 160. It put in the the power hour squeeze up to 260 on nothing. I don't see anything. It tapped the 200 day. I love these. It tapped. Well, 235 was the 200 day. Rejected off of that, and then all momentum has left ORKT, and this has room down. I could see it down to 120 or lower. Not a ton of room down, but the risk, if this thing pops, it's really good RR if that thing pops up. But even right now, it's looking real heavy. I don't even know if I imagine it getting a pop on it. We Buy is a good hangover too, dude. We Buy.
Okay. What's the deal with the with that one play, the ATMC? Is that it's T12, so it's not even gonna trade today?
So T12 on ATMC,
it looks like I can still trade it on Trade the Pool, so I'm asking. I didn't know what the deal was.
Yeah, you can. It looks like it's still tradable with TTP, but the problem is, it's halted. I don't know how long it's going to be halted. Right, with the T12, it might be a month.
Yeah, you get filled at whatever wonky spread they decide to flip a coin. That's where you're gonna get your fill. So sometimes that's hurt me before. Like the system is glitched and I'll smack into a halt and then somehow it'll resume and I'll get screwed on the fill. But all right, let me see. Anything else we didn't touch on?
Yeah, I like We Buy. We Buy looking heavy against 406 previous close. GPCR, we still need to be mindful of. That was whatever phase I think it was phase 2 they did yesterday. And they announced a $500 million offering yesterday too. Wow. Okay. The offerings are not bearish in this crazy bullish market, huh? Yeah, I'm seeing GPCR yesterday.
We're gonna see what the market's gonna do, man. I mean, what do we got for King of the Day? Where are the Bulls? XCur? Is that the congregation zone?
IBIO, they're popping up a little bit. That was yesterday's play. XCur.
I kind of want to just, man.
Yeah, there's not that one play.
I kind of want to sprinkle a little bit on TGL and SMX, like just a tiny bit. But I feel like they'll just continue to roll over, but are they going to pump them first? It's like, yeah, the chart looks sketchy, but they came from hardly anything. Like they're still up way too much. Like if we didn't have the chart and we just looked at the price and where it was, we'd still be like, what in the hell is this thing doing at $100 for SMX, right? Like
Right.
that's kind of the reality of it. So that's one way to look at it too. When you try to, talk yourself out of the trade, because it's like, well, it touched 500, but like, well, it came from $5. So
Right. Yeah.
it's kind of my thinking. So I'll be
Yeah.
looking to probably stab a couple, like just a small feeler at Bell on those and assess it. I do like those still, both TGL and SMX.
And we have to keep in mind too that TWG, once that started pooping the bed, then they were like, all right, time to offering, because they did that.
Yeah,
Like,
this could be capitulation zone now,
yeah.
where SMX is just like, good God, like if they haven't diluted somehow, they probably did, but I don't know. But yeah, TWG, oh my God. Oof.
That would have been great to be involved with.
But yeah, it looks like kind of slower. The Bulls are a little shaken. X Kerr is where the congregation seems to be.
This OCG, I just saw pumping up out of nowhere.
But
OCG,
the things already like gave its move as well, so that's like trying to do a reclaim now. The X Kerr positive data for blood cancer. I mean, that could actually find a reclaim though. So be watching out of the bell to see what that's going to print. And then besides that, yeah, SMX, TGL are my two that I want to sprinkle. PLRZ was the other one.
okay.
Look at that chart.
Yeah, she still looks good. PLRZ maybe against 11. That was up on
I took a
nothing
look
too.
at Olma as well, if that one's going to start to roll over at all. It's not much going on, not much volume. And then the retail names too, if it's a slow day and we're trying to find some solid plays. The Coles and the Abercrombie for that continued roll.
Oh no, we buy, don't do it yet.
Oh, are you looking at WeBuy?
Yeah, that was one of my favorite plays going into today. Good hangover on WeBuy.
All right, 1 minute till bell, guys. It looks like X Kerr is the king, and then we got the NCPL behind that, the cheaper king.
All right, WeBuy selling on off, and then ORKT, similar chart to WeBuy. Those are both hangovers. And
That GCPR, is that still in play from yesterday?
yeah, GPCR on the phase one is still up a lot from 30.
Oh yeah, that's actually very live today. If it gets weak.
Yeah.
Yeah.
IBIO pumping right now. That was yesterday's play, so they're gonna try to get IBIO pumping again.
Okay.
And then I'm in. I want to see FULC. FULC.
What was that? Yeah, FULC. Yeah, that's one I was about to say. I
Kinda
did like
heavy.
the way that one looked.
They offering
And they offered, so it's like you have a little more conviction there. All right, here we go.
FULC looks like it's about to profit take some.
X Kerr. Right. Is FULC getting any volume?
It got a little bit out of the gates, and then it's.
And then I'm watching Wave, guys. Wave put in a bearish candle.
WAVE.
WVEE or WVE.
Okay. Oh, okay. That's why. Sorry.
FULC did get some volume. I'm gonna take a starter there.
WVE looks really good too.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm gonna take a starter on it. Both of those, FULC and WV. Oh shit. SMX, of course, is dumping lower. I gotta take a little bit there. Taking a starter on a few of these plays, but just small, like feelers in these sprinkle theory, because we've been seeing a lot of bearish momentum here. So I'm just gonna sprinkle and get some stuff going here.
Yeah, that's probably the right idea. Like even
And assess it from there,
Even like GPCR is pretty good.
WVE on the reclaim a little bit. WVE might be the one that they reclaim and pump higher because it was still a fresher play.
Right.
X-Cur dump.
SMX still dumping.
See what the retail plays are doing. Coles and Abercrombie.
IRBT's kind of heavy against 320. That's
Oh my.
head and shoulderish. IRBT, this name's looking real heavy. That was the robot theme.
Mm-hmm.
Could maybe keep it tight against
That
330.
robot thing. ATMC is just going to be dead today, I guess. PLRs, GLT.
TGL kind of lower as well.
Yeah. Yeah, I got a starter. I'm just going to size into those. Like, give it 10, 20, 30 minutes, smack it again. You know, just make sure I don't get too big for my britches in case they reclaim it.
IBIO, that one's...
What is FULC? Like, what's the fundamentals there? Is there worth mentioning anything?
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah.
I think it was it's therapeutics play. They analyst upgrades yesterday. They were trading higher after initial results from 20 milligram dose of its phase. So phase 1.
Okay.
And then
X-Cur looks like it's pushing down. PLRZ. Yeah, PLRZ, if it doesn't reclaim here, that's going to have some meat for sure.
IBIO rejecting 210 right now, but that is where a lot of the small cap momentum is on IBIO.
WVE just put in another big candle, bro. It might be the death candle here. WVE.
Yeah, I like WVE a lot.
I'm take a starter off that wick it just put in, like mid-20s.
Yeah, I'm with you. WVE against like 20.
SMX trying to pump a little bit, so I kind of want. I do want to see that. I'm in very small, so I'll be looking to add into a decent pop there. I do like WVE though, guys. That look like it's trying to confirm for us right now. I'm gonna scale that a little bit more than the others right now. Get tighter with it and kind of tunnel in a little bit. See if it's gonna stay true or if it's gonna pop up.
Yeah, I'd like to give it a little room. And, it's still up over its previous close, 1850s.
I like the risk. I like the wick it just put in to even risk off that right or right out.
2020.
Make it simple.
That was a huge volume wick, like 2 million shares.
Yeah, I think that's probably just.
All right, I can't let you do that yourself then.
I mean, I gave myself a little bit of room above the wick, but generally like that idea of that wick.
Yeah, WB looking heavy, gentlemen.
This is the one that has a good bit of meat because it ran yesterday too. So this is fresh meat. FULC, let's go. I'm gonna add to that a little bit.
No, FU. Yeah, she's looking
a lot of volume just printed.
WVE still sketches me out a little bit. I'm gonna give it to 2050. I like it, but like you said, it feels like there's still some volume there. Like it's not complete backside yet.
Yeah.
Trucks,
higher risk, higher reward.
Trucks, they're pumping right now, guys. TROX. lot of
Oh,
volume in
that's a
TROX.
scam. That's a scam. Oh, that was the AI recommended that to be a scam. They had like lawsuit news or something. What did they come out with? Non-binding. Oh, that's a scam, dude. This might be a good one to short. I don't want to get over biased, but
Provides vote of confidence in
non-binding
TROX
LOI.
ability to develop a rare earth supply chain for the permanent magnet, defense, energy, and advanced technology industries.
Scam.
It's at a resistance level right now. Oh, a really big resistance level.
Not a bad idea to start her. They have like looming lawsuits against the company and stuff.
All right.
But it's only up 35%, so it's like I gotta. There's a gap at 420 dollar gap fill right now.
What's the
Could
float
could
on
come
this thing,
quick.
Trox? Trox is 117 million in the float. So it's trading like it's.
WVE hasn't
I'm hitting
been
at
back with my camera
515. Hitting Trox 515. I'm gonna hit it again at like 550. I'm just
yet.
sizing a little
Yeah,
smaller.
I'll monitor. Be monitoring that one.
Trox pulled back a little bit off of the 520 guys. Magic
Oh,
20.
is it gonna be a quick pump and dump? I'm smacking some. I like the way it works.
520. 520.
Got a starter. Starter off mid 5.2s. Assess from there. TGL and SMX, not much love, guys. And then Wave still can't get back over 20, man. That might be an area to add into it. Let's see, though. Still churning. I reduced the risk there and I tightened my stop.
I
want
want
to
to hit
see
this
it
thing
elevated.
again. Trox. I want to hit it again.
See how it reacts to this 5. If it gets through it and stays heavy, but this could be a buy zone.
Ain't no buy zone.
Buy zone for the Bulls to get fleeced higher. Buy high, hope higher, and then eventually get capitulated.
Yeah.
FULZ printing a little bit lower.
I'm pretty heavy there, so that's very nice.
Yeah, I mean they're diluting, so let's go. Yeah, they're pushing it down a little bit, bro. Adding. TGO and SMX, I mean, if they haven't pumped him yet, are they going to? The Bulls are like, oh my God, we're not even getting any love at Bell. Like, they're going to capitulate more. T-Rocks, we usually like to fade more expensive names, but we have good insight on this one. It's feeling kind of heavy here. You already pointed out it's a key resistance. Just don't get caught up in front side, guys, but this could be the top.
That's my love language. This could be
I got 100 shares. I'm ready to smack 100 more. Let's see.
Yeah, I didn't go heavy. I'm like right there with you. I was planning on it going to like 550.
WVE reclaim a little bit. Yep. Right there at the wick. What's it going to do? It stops above 225. 20 and a half, I mean. Yeah, I mean, T-Rocks, the longer it stays at 5, though, you want to see it go ahead and roll over. It's going to come higher.
We buy no.
Oh, are you trading that one? Oh, it halted. WVE back under 20, guys. Another wick. WVE, another wick. That same level. Might be time to lean into this one, guys. Double wick wrist level. Adding a little bit back to that. TGL, is TGL pumping? Oh no, I got the wrong chart.
Yeah, WV, another wick up there. We buy is really painful because that was like my favorite chart. When they happen, like it's not a bad idea just to throw something on them in pre-market because
Yeah,
Sometimes
if you
they
really
the
love
move
something, go
happens.
ahead and get involved pre with a small position. Like, go ahead and take your feeler pre, right? Then you can add into manipulative spikes, or you can just go ahead and ride it out with an
WVE, WVE, WVE. Mate, it's cracking levels.
yeah, adding. Yeah, just
I'm
trying to
thinking about
confirm.
adding.
Add it with a tight stop. Just be ready to cover quick if it goes against you.
Yeah, I'm gonna add and tighten the stop, like back up over 20,
And
probably.
so my idea was something like this, and when I'm trying to size into it, I like have half of my position set in stops, the other half's like fingers on the trigger ready to cover too, and like protect myself. That's kind of how I like to trade like something like this now, where I'm looking for that bigger fade here.
Here we go. Here we go. We buy, or yeah, we WVE rather. Sorry.
Wave. Washer wave, washer. Let's see. You know, price target. We're just gonna be looking how it's gonna react to these key levels. And the 19 is very key. 19 is
It
huge,
just
and then
tapped
it's gonna
nearly
be
that.
18, and you know, just the dollars going down are all really key levels when you look at the chart. So
Man, it's bouncing kind of hard off of the teens.
give her room, give her space. I like that. I like your folk trade. FULC might just say FU to the Bears. They diluted.
I hope
This level
so.
is kind of important, the 12 range. Like if we can wash under 12, that's going to be good for another point or two at least. But we might find land here at 12. T-Rocks not really doing what we want it to do.
QCL, that's halted down. Good. I mean, MG, good.
Went ahead and
Right
took
there.
my T-Rocks off for now. I'll reassess it. It's just not up enough. I'll wait for more bearish price action.
Yeah, it's starting to stair step a little bit. That's a good point.
It could elevate at any level. It could elevate at any point though. So I mean, if you have your stops above that high day wick, like it's fine to just leave it there. Like they could wash it. Oh, some red volume coming in though. Hold on.
WVE lower.
Volume surge. WVE. Yep, lean into that one. And then SMX working, guys. SMX lower pressure. Adding. SMX might halt down. And then TGL is pumping a little bit, guys.
WVE.
WVE is our honey hole.
What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Take half off, maybe. Take
No.
half. Taking half. Taking
It's a
half, bro.
death candle. Full
I want
leverage. Double
to. I want to add on pops here.
T-Rock's higher. SMX trying to crack a key level, $100. I think that's the new low on this trend. So yeah, $100 very key. SMX guys, if you're not involved there. Then TGL, just careful. You know, it could start to reclaim if it's SMX rolls over. Maybe TGL gets some love back up. But they, like you did
WVE's
say,
has
same stuff.
1850 is the previous close. We got to be mindful of that.
T-Rock's wick. Did they do a quick sneaky sweep in T-Rocks? Keep an eye on it.
Dude,
Sneaky sweep in T-Rocks, or are they pumping it?
This is shaping up to be pretty nice. It's a pretty nice day so far. Trox, what's she doing? Trox, the high day sweep candle.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, dude, that's a good risk level now. I
Wave
like that.
Rider.
Oh,
T-Rocks
Trox,
might be a micro sweep.
Trox,
T-Rocks.
probably lean in. Probably time to lean in off of that
All
wick.
right, I took another stab off that sweep, off the sweep, just like with Wave we did.
I'm hitting it a little bit more.
Wave
Trox off of that
printing.
sweep.
Wave printing.
FULC printing.
FULC's printing. Wave printing.
526 stop now.
Go, boys.
On, Trox.
Let's go, boys. The bag. I just reduced size and wave and resmacked it. I was in pretty big, so I just took resmacked. Still in Big size,
I
bro.
get money. I get money. I get money. Money. I get it. All right.
Wave
Shaping
runners.
up.
Let's go, boys. Wave runners. Love that. And
If you
then
hadn't caught the wave, it's time to catch the wave, boys.
T-Rocks feels like that might have been the sweep, bro.
Yeah. I like it. Sized it against that new high, 525.
I'm gonna hit one more time with some tighter stops.
You hitting it and quitting it, or staying with it?
Yeah, I'm hitting it. I'm staying around. Yeah, I'm going back for more.
Sloppy second.
TGL. Wait, TGL pressure down all of a sudden. Or wait, am I? Oh no, the spread's just crazy there. That thing might halt down out of nowhere. It's getting sketchy.
Trucks could hold this VWAP, but we did like that. We did like that upper wick. I mean, it got slammed on that upper wick.
Yeah, if
So
I see much buying coming in, I'll reduce the risk. I want to see it stay heavy here this time at 5.
man, WVE printing.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, my leftovers, I got to stop up at like 1940. FULC's looking really good. I need
FULC,
FULC.
yeah, I like that one. I'm leaning into that one a little bit.
Crow out, NCPL. Yeah, good alert
Wave
early on that.
runner, Trox, fake liquidity sweep. They're not done with it, it looks like.
Okay, Trox, they're heading a little higher.
Yeah, I mean, I reduced it. The last bid is above that wick, so you know, it was either true or it wasn't. No emotion, small size.
Yeah, 526 my stop, and I'll revisit.
Wave, where's this thing going? Are they capitulating under 18? This thing's not getting much bounce love. This thing's just gonna go to 15 bucks. 15 looks like a good price target. And if not, then like 12. Wave runners, hit the waves. Crash
Dude,
the waves on down.
it is straight down right now, wave. Oh my god, this thing's straight down.
Good snipe there.
Good call. I mean, I honestly I really wasn't watching this one. This was a really good hangover though. Now it's under the previous close, 1850. Really, it could be sized against that. What pushed this thing from $6 to 20 yesterday? Anyways, we have a lot of meat here.
Just the hype. Yeah.
Oh, they came out with an offering at 908, dude. Oh my freaking
Yeah, I'm leaning into.
Did we miss that? We missed that that they came out with the offering.
Well, we were on their play. We were ahead of the news. We didn't even need the news. We saw it. Cue the print song. Cue print it. T-Rocks alert. Trying to confirm, perhaps.
Am I going to have to hit that one again?
Do I have this chart on? I'm on the 1 minute.
It's in a little bit of a flag.
Print it. Just print it.
Okay, so I gotta look at that on WVE. So is that okay? They came out 908, $250 million offering, dude. All these companies are offering right now. But what's the price of the offering yet? Why don't they? What are they selling their shares for? Is it the current?
And then why is TGL and SMX not offering?
Multiple firms raise their. So when they don't say what price they offering at, does that just mean like the current price they offering at $20? Because
at the market offering,
yeah.
So pretty much, I think that's like one of the worst forms where they're just literally just selling into the market, like. So, just don't get over convicted. You know they can reclaim this thing. We've seen it all happen. So.
Oh yeah.
A little bit of a bounce, not much, but. It's like I'm in good, but I will probably add in a pops knowing that it's offering now.
Is this a pop? Looks like one to me.
FULC. Oh, big picture, man. Let's see a point or two fade there. It could be one to size. Feels like one to size. FULC.
Man, I want to.
SMX and DGL, just DCAs, slowly scaling in there.
I really want to hit WVE more, but
T-Rock's not getting too aggressive, just letting wiggle room breathe over that last wick, that top wick. Sweet. What's that? You want to what?
I really want to size WVE, but I'm gonna let it
Just
breathe.
wait, let it give you an entry. Yeah, like look for some euphoric, maybe like a reclaim right above this candle or right to it at anywhere in the 19s. I think is
Oh, just
money. Is
don't
money.
use that reclaim word, dude. That reclaim word is traumatizing.
Well, it's clear risk levels. I mean, if it starts reclaiming anywhere near 20, then it's going to be like, okay. But I don't see it. I think this is one to lean into for like tunnel vision, like sleepy fade now with the offering, and it's more expensive. They're not going to manipulate it as much. Like, in other words, pull out the cannons, Bubba. 100 share
Yeah.
stack. Start getting hungry.
So it's tapping the previous close right now. This is kind of an important level. It's popping pretty aggressively off of
I
the.
could see like a 1920 touch.
Yeah, it's popping a little bit right
19
now.
test, maybe a sweep above 19 and flush. I don't see it reclaiming after that wicket just put after this pressure, bro. Looks like it confirmed pretty good for us there. Textbook sweeps, textbook breakdown. Expected some kind of reclaim, so that's the thing. It's like being in size where you're comfortable enough to just ride it out, or when you see the manipulative spike up to be able to just add more, right? Without risking too much, like still following your risk parameters that way. Because that's the name of the game. Like we see these irrational moves before they go where we want them to. So you
Yeah,
got to be prepared for that to add into that irrationality instead of being over biased and over convicted and just sitting in there with a bunch of size. Like because like then they'll reclaim on you and it'll just be disgusting.
a little bit more selling pressure on it right now. Yeah, that I
Yeah.
almost hit it right there. That was a
Oh yeah,
good.
I'm leaning into this thing, dude. I'm sizing it. You can even size the hell out of it off 18.8 now. Off that move it just put in, you can start scaling your stops above that, which is exactly what I'll do. So I'm in big now and I'm scaling my stops tighter off that we just put in.
Man, I like it.
And
I
the
like
thing
it.
that's nice, what I like about trade the pool, working in more expensive stocks like this, is you can get in and out a lot, right, without worrying about your 10 cents. Because like if you're short, when it finally does make that leg down, you're going to be up a lot more profit than you are in those small little fees or those small little chops and churns like in between. But if you're trading like a $2, $3 stock, you can't protect yourself as much.
Trucks, I'm falling out of love with, guys. I think I'm about to take it off. She's just kind of like stair steppy a little bit right here.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm
yeah,
taking it off. Trucks.
yeah, yeah. She was kind of wicked a little bit, but didn't fully behave. So
All good.
EGL and SMX looking great, guys. Ain't broke, don't fix it. Slow scaling into those boys.
Yeah. What do you guys got in the X Cur? You think breaks out? X Cur 1 million in the float and 19 million volume right now, and it's kind of going sideways. So I could see it. Where are the bulls at? I mean, where the ATMV is where
That's where they
Cutthroat,
were, Xcur. That was what they had.
and then NCPL. I know you were working, but
Oh man.
truck still interesting.
Wave runner. It's just now
We buy, bro.
wave dumping, guys. It's just now even on the day, bro. Like
This is such
now,
a good
now it's
one to
down 2% again. But yeah, I mean
get
it
paid
was
on.
flat on the day. Like this thing can fade 10-20%. They offered. They had a big day yesterday. And there's meat here, guys. I mean 15, 12 price target. They offered.
So, what else do we have? IBIO's having trouble at 210. Good work on these backside plays, dude. Love it. DBRG is kind of on alert too. We didn't go over that this morning. DBRG didn't have its profit give back day yesterday, but right now, dude, it hit the previous close 15, and it's been profit taking. So it's a sleepy backside play that's got room to sell off as well.
PGL lower cracks, guys.
DBRG, I think I gotta get involved there. Let me see what the spread is.
SMX. Love these fades, dude. Especially once we got off stream. God, everything just behaved so well yesterday. Like, finally. Ugh. Been waiting on this. WVE not behaving though. That thing's kind of pumping back up a little bit. Let's see. So I reduced the risk there. We're seeing. I mean, I just don't think it's going to come up much higher than this, but let's see.
The chart's not loading.
Which one?
Oh, just TTP.
Uh-oh.
All right. Guys, I'm going to head over to trade the pool here momentarily. So follow on over there. But this was good morning so far. We need some of these plays to keep keeping on.
So. FULC, yeah, I like the look of that one, and then SMX and TGL. Wave should behave, but that's the one that's just don't get over convicted, even though they have an offering. Like, looks like they want to test VWAP at 19.2 maybe.
But yeah, guys, if there are any questions, hit us up. Discord's free. Comments below. But you guys know what we're watching. Some good plays going on right now. So just work them. Have patience, discipline. WVE maybe giving an entry here to maybe start getting re-involved with it again. But
T-Rogue's dumped.
All right. I took all of WVE and then I'm re-entering it.
Yeah. Yeah, this looks like a good entry right here. At VWAP. Tighter risk levels. Yeah, the rational reclaim theme. But, you know, it's like a half reclaim of that candle it put in. So really, it's kind of expected. This level.
Otherwise, guys, head over there and good work today. We'll see you tomorrow.